This is the parrot crisis. Illegal parrot trade is pushing wild parrots toward extinction. Pet demand fuels trafficking by putting a price on wild birds. Anti-poaching laws have failed, and parrots are still taken every day. In some areas, entire nests are lost. People risk lives to protect parrots, and some have even been killed for it. Yet captive parrots are surrendered every day. Their noise, destruction, and aggression overwhelm even loving homes. Parrot rescues are full, unable to address daily surrendered requests. These wild animals are living behind bars, and the harm of captivity is clear. Still, millions are bred every year, often in crowded, filthy breeding mills. They will never know freedom. So stop the cycle. Never buy, breed, or sell parrots. Adopt, don't shop. Support conservation, volunteer, and speak out. Share the truth about the parrot crisis in your community and on social media. Together, we can end the parrot crisis. None are free until all are free.